Have you ever heard a strange knocking or pinging sound from your engine and wondered what's going on under there? Today we're breaking down engine knock. What is it, why it happens, and what it sounds like, and how to stop it before it leads to expensive repairs. Engine knock, sometimes called pinging or detonation, happens when the air-fuel mixture inside your engine cylinder ignites incorrectly. Normally, combustion is a smooth, controlled burn sparked at the right time. Engine knock happens when parts of the mixture ignite early or out of turn, causing multiple pressure spikes. That early combustion creates shock waves you can hear, a metallic pinging, clang, or rattle, and it can damage your engine if it's ignored. When running normally, your engine purrs or hums. But engine knock stands out as a sharp ping under acceleration that sounds unlike normal mechanical noise. It's not supposed to happen during a smooth combustion cycle. Here are a few of the most common reasons why engine knock occurs. 1. Fuel with incorrect octane rating. Using fuel with too low an octane rating for your engine is one of the most common causes. Octane measures how resistant fuel is to premature combustion. If fuel ignites before the spark plug fires, you'll hear a ping. Number 2, carbon buildup in the combustion chamber. Over time, carbon deposits can build up on pistons in the combustion chamber. These hot carbon globs act like tiny ignition sources, causing fuel to ignite at the wrong time. 3, incorrect ignition timing. If a spark plug fires too early, before the piston reaches the correct point, it causes the mixture to explode against the piston prematurely. 4, lean air-fuel mixture. A lean mixture means too much air and not enough fuel. It burns hotter, increasing the risk of self-ignition before the spark plug fires. 5, other causes, sensor and engine wear. Faulty knock sensors, worn engine components, or failing cooling system can all indirectly contribute to knocking by upsetting combustion balance or increasing temperatures. Why should you care? Engine knock isn't just annoying. If allowed to persist, those repeated pressure spikes can damage pistons, bearings, cylinder walls, and more. Left unchecked, excessive knock accelerates wear and can lead to costly engine repairs or even total engine failure. How to check for engine knock. Here's how you check. Listen for pinging under load or acceleration. Check engine codes with an OBD2 scanner. Persistent knock may trigger a warning. Monitor performance. Rough idle, loss of power, and reduced fuel economy can accompany knock. Let's look at solutions that can keep your engine healthy. Start with the right fuel for your engine. If your vehicle recommends mid-grade or premium, using regular gas can invite knocking. Keep combustion chambers clean. Decarbonation services or fuel system cleaners help reduce buildup. Maintain ignition timing and sensors. Have your ignition timing and knock sensors checked. Modern engines adjust timing automatically, but faulty sensors can disrupt that protection. Regular maintenance and cooling system care. A healthy cooling system keeps combustion temperatures in check. Low coolant or thermostat issues can increase knock risk. Engine knock is your car's way of telling you that something isn't right with the combustion process. With the right fuel, proper maintenance, and timely repairs, you can prevent most knocking and protect your engine for the long haul. If this helped make sense of engine knock, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what other engine topics you want explained next. Thanks for watching. Listen closely and keep your engine happy.